Hi all, welcome to the new video of Be an Expert. In this video, I'm explaining how to change the case of text that we typed in Microsoft Office Excel into lowercase, uppercase and title case. So before starting my video, I'm requesting you to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications while I'm uploading new videos into my channel. Okay, thank you. So shall we start? So after opening Excel, type some records on the sheet. Here I'm going to type records of some students. My records contains register number, name and mark awarded. So I'm going to type the register number as 1955-14-1, 1955-14-2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, it's a sequence. Name Harris, Anwar, James, John, Ranjit. Okay, I just typed the names of 5 students. Mark awarded as 450, 650, 250, 350 and 478. Just look at the names that I typed. All names are in lowercase. Suppose if we want to convert these names into uppercase, click on the heading name. Press Alt I C. What is the command I typed? What is the shortcut I typed? Alt IC. It is very easy to understand because Alt IC shortcut, I means insert and C means column. Okay. Type the heading here also, name. Then type an equation here is equal to upper within a bracket, type the actual name, actual name's cell address, that is C2. This is the function. Here C2 is the cell address of the actual name. Press enter key. Here it is. The name is converted into uppercase. Press shift key then down arrow to select the remaining cells. Press Ctrl D to move the equation downwards. So all names are converted into uppercase. Then remember one thing, don't delete the actual names. It will affect the result. If we delete all actual names, the result will hide. So select the column where the actual names stands. Here it is C. Press Alt O C H. What is the shortcut I typed? Alt O C H. Actually, O means the second letter of format. C means column. H means hide. So it is very easy to understand. Alt OCH means under format menu, column hide. We just hide the column C. Here is the final output. Just press Ctrl F2. This is the print preview. So the all names are converted into uppercase. Instead of upper function, we can use lower function to convert the actual name into lowercase. Instead of lower, you can use proper function. Okay. Proper function converts the actual text into title case. So I think that you understood the settings I explained. So just work on it. Thank you. See you again. Bye.